This is the torch, although it's actually rather more than just a torch, because it all arrives together packed in this plastic carrying case and opens to reveal the torch itself, a USB charger for an 18650 battery, one of those, and 2 batteries are included, not 1, so that's very generous. You can charge both up and then carry one as a spare. They charge via USB, and a plug is supplied along with a USB cable, which then plugs into the charger. And the torch can run either on these 18650 batteries, or you can use AAA batteries inside this carrier here. Also included, once I remove the end to access the batteries, and you'll note there that there is a rubber weatherproof seal, which is good to see. So that's the second of the 18650 batteries, which fits inside that, which holds it securely in place and powers an exceptionally bright torch. The torch has several modes. If I switch it on, it produces an extremely bright light. By pressing the button halfway, it goes a little bit dimmer again, and that is a fast flashing strobe, and this now is an SOS mode. But it's not just a case of having the different modes of brightness, but the torch also has a zoom feature as well. So you can pull the end in and out to focus on something close up or further away in the distance. But I'll demonstrate that outside in a more representative scenario. The torch is very well designed. It's all metal construction. It can stand on end and illuminate like a candle. You can see that. Another nice feature is the lens is recessed behind these overhanging castellated petal-like edges, so if the torch is accidentally dropped and lands like that, the lens is protected from cracking or shattering, hopefully. It's weatherproof. It has a weatherproof seal there, as we've already seen, and there's a wrist strap as well. So it's very well made. It's very good to have all these extras, but the most important thing with any torch is how it works outdoors. So I'll take it outside and give a demonstration. This is a demonstration of the torch at night, filming in completely black conditions. Please bear in mind there are some filming limitations with an automatic focus, automatic exposure camera, but I now switch it on and you can see it's quite a bright light. There's a road sign across the road and markings in the road, and a grid. It's also got a focus on this, so it can either produce the broad floodlight or it can focus on a much narrower field, which is good for looking at distant objects such as that footpath sign and this road sign. And you can even see the shape of the chip. But if you pull it back, you get into more of a floodlight effect. So that's for looking at distant objects, and this is for looking at objects closer to. So that's the bright setting. If you press the button just slightly, it goes into a slightly less bright setting. I can't really call it dim, and again press it again once more, and it goes into a dim mode, following which there's a flashing strobe or an SOS function. And again, in each mode, the zoom works. So I'll pull it back. Now if I switch off the torch, I'll just go through them again. So that is the bright mode, which is very bright, slightly dimmer again, then the flashing strobe, and the SOS. And hopefully you can see just how bright and how powerful this torch is. The perfect torch for use in completely black conditions, walking, cycling, or pretty much any outdoor use. It's perfect for them all, which could be handy in an SOS emergency situation. This is the SOS beacon.